I'm just about to reveal how regular people are making money by watching videos on Hideout TV and how you can do that too, so let's get started. And I'm gonna cut right to the chase. What I want you guys to do at first is connect to hideout.co and sign up for a free account. But I'm not gonna bore you with the sign up process because that is very easy to do, and I'm sure you can manage it on your own. What is for sure is that Hideout TV is in some regards very similar to YouTube, meaning that you can connect to their homepage and you will get all sorts of recommended videos, and then you can also search for a specific video that you want to watch. I can just search for a cooking tutorial and hopefully I will get a relevant search result. Let's see whether or not that's the case. Well, we've got about 70 relevant videos. Not only that, but if you take a closer look on the left hand side, you're gonna see they do have a bunch of different featured channels in various niches such as adventure, best life, celebrity, and the list goes on and on. They do have quite a few of them. And so guys, the best part about this website as compared to other alternatives that promise to pay you for watching videos online is the fact that you can actually watch content you enjoy. So you're not gonna have to watch any sort of spammy, annoying ads and waste your time with that and get frustrated. Instead, you can tailor your experience according to your preferences. And that's a major advantage of using this platform. And so to sum it up, the main difference between watching content on Hideout TV and watching content on YouTube is that this time you can actually get paid even if you're a regular viewer and you're not a content creator. And that's precisely what we're gonna do. And by the way guys, there are quite a few different ways you can make money on that platform. First off, running videos 24/7 is definitely the easiest and perhaps the most profitable thing you can do. In other words, you can just connect to Hideout TV on your mobile phone, on your tablet, on your personal computer, or whatever devices you might have. You can log into your account and start playing content. And naturally, the longer you play, the more you will make. And if you want to max out your profits, you can just leave it running overnight to earn while you're sleeping, because you don't necessarily have to watch that content yourself. As long as the videos are playing, that's all good. And in order to keep users active, they also have this sort of daily rewards that you can redeem. And that is just a matter of logging into your account on a daily basis, which shouldn't take more than a couple minutes, but it's certainly worth it. That's a very easy way you can max out. But then guys, here's a bonus that most people don't even know of. Apart from their official website, Hideout TV has also put together a Facebook page that's got over 72,000 different followers, and on a daily basis they're releasing some promo codes that will look something like this. In this case, the promo code was Side Hustle 25th, and it is available until October 15th, so I can still make use of it even right now. Simply copy the code, go to a video and click the rewards button, then paste in the code and click add, and that is how you can get yourself some extra free points without doing any additional work whatsoever. So this is a cool bonus, it's a cool hack to keep in mind. All you gotta do is just follow their page and keep an eye on it. Remember, they will have these almost on a daily basis. And something else that I really appreciate about them is that they have a very active community, and that goes to show that they actually care about their project and they are making updates as we speak. Now, something that you're gonna notice, and you might have already noticed it if you've been watching my content for some time, is that Hideout TV is just the main website, but there will be all sorts of sub-websites that will redirect you to Hideout TV, acting as the middleman basically. But in order to keep things simple, I would recommend that you go straight over to the source and you simply use Hideout TV. There is no point using other websites. However, if you are looking to maximize your profits and perhaps you're not satisfied with the amount you're earning on Hideout TV alone, a very similar website is called loot.tv. And again, it's gonna work in a very similar way. They have hundreds of different content creators and they will pay you for watching the content. But what's actually happening behind the scenes is very simple, guys. You see, various advertising networks will reach out to both Hideout TV and Loot TV and all of these other websites in order to display their promotional materials. Now, in turn, Loot TV or Hideout TV are just going to share a part of their ad revenue with us for our small contribution. So they get paid by advertisers to display those ads, we are going to watch them, and we will get paid a small fraction of that money, of that ad revenue, in return. So that's pretty much how it works. It's a win-win situation for everyone, but if you think about it, we are not really making that much money. We are just a very small piece of the puzzle. And for that reason, I do not personally believe you can get rich by watching content online, no matter which website you decide to use. Now, just as a side note here, if you do decide to connect to Hideout TV, sign up for a free account and start watching, you gotta make sure that your ad blocker is turned off. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time. You're not gonna make a single dollar. Again, in order to make money, you need to actually go through those advertising materials. You need to watch those ads. That's why you're getting paid in the first place. But I know you guys are interested in exact figures. You want to see results. You want to see payment proof, and you want to determine whether or not it is actually worth your time. So let's take a look at this. You see, according to payfromsurveys.com, the rewards you will get for watching one video will be less than 10 cents. According to their experience, they had to watch several videos in order to get about 15 cents. Now let's just do the math on that. Let's say that these videos are on average about 3 minutes long. Well, that will allow you to watch about 20 videos per hour. And so 20 videos and you got yourself an extra 15 cents. In other words, you're just earning 15 cents per hour. The point of this method is that it is supposed to be a passive income stream, meaning that you don't actually have to actively watch all of those videos. You don't have to pay attention. You're just going to leave your smartphone aside while it's playing those videos without you having to be involved. So let's just say we are running it 24/7. I really gotta max out here. That's about $3.6 a day. Multiply that by 30 and you can get yourself an extra $100 a month. However, once again, you're using your phone 24/7, so you also have to account for the electricity cost because your battery will eventually get drained. And that's why, all in all, I do not think this is a life-changing amount of money. I don't think you can get rich watching videos online. But here's the thing, guys, you don't have to. And here's what I mean. I've been looking for ways to make money online for quite some time now, and I have literally recorded dozens of reviews of similar websites to Hideout TV. And from my personal experience, it might be different in your case, but from my experience, I've never been able to actually get any decent amounts of money on any of them. And that is why I genuinely think that watching videos is not the way to go. Instead, creating content for other people to watch is a lot more profitable. Now, I do understand that for most of you watching this video, creating a channel such as this one, where I have to show up in front of the camera and talk to you guys, may not be something you're comfortable with. But in 2022, there are literally so many opportunities out there where you don't have to show your face, that everybody can start posting content. Not only that, but if you think the competition is too high on YouTube, we've literally got new platforms such as Rumble that are taking off right now. And in the following minutes, I'm gonna provide you guys with two different ideas, two different channel ideas, and I'm talking about faceless YouTube channels that you can put into practice right after watching this tutorial. And so if you're not satisfied with the amounts of money you can make watching content, you may want to put out content instead. Instead of being a viewer, you can be a content creator. And the first type of channel I want you guys to pay attention to is centered around very short tech tutorials. And I'm talking about very basic things such as how to turn a JPEG file into a PDF. These are topics that people are searching for, and believe it or not, they are gathering hundreds of thousands of views. All of these channels posting short tutorials are making a bunch of cash. They get very good RPM and great traffic because people are searching for the topics. And this was just one example. Here's another one. How to create a presentation in Canva. This is just a random one. Believe it or not, we just got ourselves another search result here with over 200,000 views. And that is because this short video managed to answer people's questions, and that is precisely what you need to do. If you're serious about making money online, you don't need to waste your time watching hundreds of hours of content on Hideout TV or any other website similar to this one. What you can do is take the time to create very short tutorials, and all of these channels are doing it successfully. So you've also got a lot of reference, you have a lot of competitors you can model, and then stay consistent. The more you post, the more chances you have of your channel eventually taking off. And remember, this was just the first example. Here's another one. And so here's the second idea, product reviews. Believe it or not, the earning potential in this particular niche is huge. And I'm not just talking about ad revenue, I'm also talking about affiliate income. Here's a clear example. Let's just search for the top 10 vacuum cleaners. That might sound like a random search at first, but it really isn't. I want you to take a look at these search results. Some of these videos have literally gathered hundreds of thousands of views. And mind you, this is a faceless video as well. The content creator behind this channel didn't have to show their face on camera, they didn't have to record themselves while talking to the camera, they didn't even have to purchase the items themselves. All they needed to do was just combine some footage, some relevant videos and pictures, come up with a script and a voiceover, and that's it. And then it is just about rinsing and repeating. That's exactly what they are doing. Take a look at this. Top 5 speakers, top 5 electric skateboards. And I could keep going for ages. They're literally posting every other day or so. And some of their most popular uploads have gone absolutely viral, with over 1.7 million views on this one right here. And the list goes on. But what's crazy about this type of channel that is centered around product reviews is that you can also have affiliate links in the description. Take a look at this. They actually do. This is the top 5 best protein powders of 2022, right? And they have a link for every product they have covered. And so if somebody who watches this video wants to place an order, they can do it using that link in the description, and this channel owner will receive a commission. And by the way, these were just 2 random ideas that came to my mind, but there are so many different things you can do out there. There are so many topics to cover. But the bottom line is this: if you can create a channel that answers people's questions, that's gonna be way more profitable than watching hundreds of hours of content on Hideout TV Hideout.tv or Loot.tv or any other such website. But if you think you don't really have everything it takes to make this work, or you think you might need some help, then there is going to be a full guide down there in the description box. We are not going to reveal any secrets or anything of that kind because there are no secrets, but what we are going to do is walk you through the process of creating one such channel from scratch. And I'm talking about a fully automated faceless YouTube channel. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.